And to be honest, I was pretty frustrated with my brain for not cooperating with me. I mean, after all we've been through, here I am trying to do my brain a favor. And my biggest roadblock is me? I wanted to see what would happen if habituation didn't have a chance to take hold. If a brain didn't see that message coming, then hopefully it wouldn't have time to brace for impact. So on the day before Halloween back in 2017, I decided to text a message I needed to hear to 32 of my friends. I said something like, the second half of today could be great, even if the first half kind of sucked. The past and the future are totally separate things. And as the responses rolled in, I couldn't believe my eyes. One person said, "Whoa, I really needed this. I'm crying in the closet right now because my boyfriend dumped me. How did you know?" Another person said, "Whoa, I really needed this. This morning was fine, but I'm super nervous about my job interview on Thursday. How did you know?" Even though everyone responded differently, there were two common threads. I really needed this, and how did you know? And frankly, I didn't know. Their brains did all the work, stretching the sentiment to fit their own life-specific circumstances, extracting the helpful nuggets and ditching the rest. All I did was interrupt them.